If you want a homestead where gardening, animals, and mountain scenery come together, this property might be perfect. Welcome to Pocket Mountain Farm, a charming early 1800s farmhouse set on over 17 acres of beautiful New Hampshire countryside, offering sweeping views that change with the seasons. Silhouette of Mount Chocorua, along with peaks in the Sandwich Range and the Ossipee Mountains. Step inside through the welcoming kitchen, where the farmhouse immediately feels warm and inviting. Just outside the kitchen, a south-facing deck provides the perfect spot to relax and take in miles of countryside views. Whether enjoying a quiet morning coffee or hosting friends for a summer evening, the scenery creates a beautiful backdrop for everyday living. The interior of the home blends historic charm with comfortable living spaces. An antique chimney, once used for a traditional cook stove, still anchors the heart of the home. Nearby, the cozy living room features a large picture window that frames the expansive landscape outside, making it a perfect place to unwind while watching the seasons change. Upstairs, a finished bedroom offers another peaceful retreat with its own southwesterly mountain views. The main level also includes additional bedrooms, a dining area large enough for gatherings, and a flexible space that could serve as an office, reading room, or lounge. Outside, the property is ready for homesteading and country living. A large heated greenhouse allows for year-round gardening, while two spacious outbuildings provide abundant storage and workspace. The newer barn even includes horse stalls, making it ideal for animals or hobby farming. With nearly 2 centuries of history, this remarkable property offers the rare chance to own a classic New Hampshire homestead, surrounded by land, views, and timeless rural beauty.